This afternoon, the state health department announced it ordered 700,000 more COVID tests to help with the demand. They will prioritize schools, health departments, long-term care facilities, and health centers. They will also send staffing help to testing sites all across our state, including the one at the Greensboro Coliseum complex. WFMY News 2 Sydney Moore visited Piedmont Hall to see how they're dealing with all the people who want a COVID test.
Well, MAKO Medical's partnership executive says since they first opened at Piedmont Hall, they've administered 5,000 COVID tests. Patients are typically in and out within 5 minutes.
I would describe it as a professional and very positive atmosphere over at Piedmont Hall.
Glenn Long with MAKO Medical says his team has been busy for over 2 years.
We've done roughly 10 million COVID tests in the past 2 years. Out of those 10 million tests that we've run in the past 2 years, I would say 99.9% of them have come back in a 48-hour or less turnaround time.
He says patients can see their results closer to the 48-hour window and in some cases 72 hours. He says patients haven't had to wait in long lines to get tested at Piedmont Hall.
When Guilford County needed an extra partner and at this particular site here in the Triad, we could tell that there was serious demand there. The feedback that I've gotten from a lot of the citizens is that they've waited in line at other sites around the area for 4+ hours to get a test.
Patients typically spend 5 minutes, especially if they show up pre-registered.
If you show up and you are unregistered, that's okay. You're still going to get a COVID test today. Your time inside the building just may take an extra couple minutes to get registered.
Cone Health, one of MAKO's Triad partners, also reports high demand at its testing sites. They say they can support 7,000 appointments this week.
We still want people to get tested. If you have symptoms, of course, we want you to get tested. If you've been exposed, then the recommendation is to wait at least 5 days before you get tested, unless you start showing symptoms.
The testing site at Piedmont Hall will run through at least January 21st.